Hi everyone, I'm Jack. Today I'd like to share with you an experiment that I built with Cloud Code called Notion 2.0. So the core idea was that I was thinking, what if I could have digital teammates within my Notion doc to work on any materials with me, or think of integrating all of my workflows into one Notion doc. And that would be cool so that I don't have to switch between different tabs or juggling with different tools. So the first step that I took was working with Cloud Code to build out all the fundamental building blocks of Notion. So you could create pages, and you could also use the slash command to insert different documents or videos, and of course all the building blocks, all the basic blocks. And of course you could turn into different formats or delete and move the blocks. And what's different and what's exciting here is that we have different digital teammates that could work with us within this Notion page. So we have the search agent, we have the general list agent, which could take on different tasks. We could have agents that could create images or infographics for us, and a video agent that could summarize the video or generate transcripts based on YouTube videos or any videos that you upload from Google Drive. So let me take you through a use case. So let's say we want to plan out a trip to New York City. And the first thing that we might want to put down would be the date. So let's say we want to travel between Jan to 20 to 25th. And we would also like to understand what the weather would be like for us to prepare our clothing. So normally you would just switch to another tab and find the weather and copy and paste the weather into this Notion doc. But now with Search Agent, you could trigger the Search Agent by hitting Command 2 or just by clicking this Search Agent. And what it does is that it turns your text into green, and the green text would basically be your search query. So let's say we want to find the daily weather in New York City from Jan 20 to 25, and it does a Google search and just embed the response inline in this text block for you, so that you don't have to switch between tab or just break your workflow. Okay, so that looks good, but what if we could create a beautiful infographic on the weather of New York City? So now we could trigger the image agent and click on any of the text blocks and turn the text into beautiful infographics. So under the hood, it's calling Nano Banana. Did some context engineering to generate these type of beautiful infographics. And of course, we could rearrange it to make this whole doc more beautiful. And let's say we want to plan out the daily itinerary. So let's say if we start from our day one itinerary, we would like to do some ice skating in Central Park. And word alone is kind of boring. So what if we could also ask the image agent to create me ice skating in Central Park? So here you could see we could toggle on use my face for the model to generate a realistic photo of me skating in Central Park to create more of a exciting visualization of this trip. So yeah, that's not a bad photo. Of course, I did some context engineering, did some prompting to make it more Instagram mobile, more Instagram friendly. So let's say our friend shared with us this YouTube video from New York Times. And we could embed this YouTube video within the Notion doc, of course. And then I don't have the time to watch the full video, so I could trigger the video agent, to help me summarize this video. So list out the 10 recommended restaurants in this video. And what it does under the hood is it goes through the video, the transcript, video, and just extract relevant information from either a YouTube video or any video that you upload from Google Drive. There you have it, all the 10 restaurants mentioned in this YouTube video. And also, let's say our friend John sent us this Google sheet of all of his 10 favorite restaurants and with a column of his own ranking. And we could also include this Google Sheet within our Notion doc. And we could leverage this generalist agent to go through the Google Sheet and help us extract the top 3 ranked restaurants from this Google Sheet. So let's say pull up the restaurant name of rank 1, 2, 3. So with just a simple prompt, the agent understands the Google Sheet structure and understand the column names and help us filter out the top 3 restaurants from this Google Sheet. And let's say we finished our New York trip and we would like to also upload our vlog from this trip. And what I'm taking right now is a New York City vlog from Casey Neistat, one of my favorite YouTubers. And let's say we want to like edit out or like clip some of the highlights from this video to share with our friends. So what we could do is first of all like generate a transcript and edit and clip out certain durations of videos based on the transcript. Okay, there you have it, all the transcript from this video. And if you have the video agent mode on, then you could see this purple cursor, and which acts as a magic cursor for you to select any excerpt from the transcript and generate a clip for you. So there you have it. The agent has clipped out the video and save it in my Google Drive for me to download. So what it does under the hood is it finds a timestamp based on the transcript and uses a Python script to clip out the video. And the last feature that I would like to share with you is page merging. So let's say we have like multiple pages scattered all around that we would like to integrate within one Notion page. So let's say we have a day 1 to 3 and a day 4 to 5, a simple example of the two pages that we like to merge. So we could switch to the page view and use this drag and drop motion to merge multiple pages together. And what it does in the back end is that the agent reads through all the content within each of the pages and find where are the overlaps, where it could integrate different informations into one bullet point or within one block, and then have this suggestion where you could take the suggestion and merge it into a well-formatted merged page. So there you have it, my vision around how we could collaborate with digital teammates within one single integrated Notion page without switching tabs, without juggling different tools, and all embedded within our workflow. Feel free to try it out with the link below and let me know if you have any recommendations. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.